Hey friends, so it's true, cuddling doesn't go out of style, nor can a virus stop it, and I have a really special request to head out to Wooster, Ohio to see a client that is in very special situation. So I would love to, those of you who are following some pretty good social distancing, who are taking care of themselves, to reduce, of course, passing anything. But if you are that person that's been pretty good at sheltering in place and looking for a session and you're in the Ohio area, let me know. So I'm guessing that's near Akron, all of those kind of places. So please contact me, find me, let me know if that weekend over Father's Day weekend works for you. And so I'll be there, okay? Just checking in with y'all. See, look, you can kind of see me from behind. And I thought I would show you all backstage, but through the glass. Okay, bye.